Ay. Sweetie, I'm done subscribe. Ati Ana, simple ra kitira ma'am. You can subscribe the Shaw family. His wife is a Filipina. Thank you for your supporting. You're welcome, Bangalore. The Shaw family must go on. Yeah, you are kuan. The Shaw family, you monetize here in YT na. You already monetize. Flying Brian, blessing from Arizona, USA. Flying Brian. Hello. So nice live, sister. Yes, because the internet is so good right now. Mika Limon, Germany. Hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi, guys. He's shy. Look, ito papa. Hi from USA, JM3. Wolf Sheep, shout out, Wolf Sheep. Shout out to you. I'm done. Thank you. My father is from Baguio. Oh, the Baguio is cold place. Hi, I'm from Mexico. Miguel and Angel Garcia Corona. Salamat po, host. You're welcome, the Shaw family. Everyone, tap your screen, like, and subscribe, everyone. Road to monetize. Oh, that's good. That's good, the Shaw family. And me is, road to monetize someday. Because I got my 1,000 subscriber yesterday. Then I'm my goal right now is the watch hour. I have only 900 watch hour. I need 2,000 watch hour to get my monetize here in YT. Ngatura kang papa. Papa nga ng bata pakatugas adi ha. Edi adi na sa kasaka. Not yet monetize yet, MJ. Yes, me too. Look at my husband, guys. He take care of my 2 kids. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. He take care of my 2 kids because he is day off today. Can I have a shout out? Velocity Drift. Shout out to you. Thank you, brother Jid, for your you know that for support my channel to especially to the kick out to the bad comments here. Oh, congratulations on 1K subscriber. Me to be just achieve 1K subscriber and I have around the same watch hour as you, 900. We are the same race together. Yes, but you know that today is I'm trying to doing live 2 times a day, so got a more watch hour. Then I start doing live on last month, this January. Then I'm starting to create a YouTube on November 9. Then 3 months na right now. Then this January lang ako nag-start mag-live. That's why my watch hour is lowest. He is carrying the child. Yes. Sweetness 888. Can I have a shout out? Yes, sure. Sweetness, you can shout out. Do screencast, Angie. What is that screencast? The Shaw family.